Okay, I'm getting a lot of questions, so figured I'd go through this. I changed it back to a 2015. As you can see, no reverse cam, so I'll plug this in. A little hard to see, sorry. So let me go back and connect. Connected. My 2015, because this is a 2015 truck. Connected. Okay, procedure, car configuration change, select option, model year. I'm going to change it from a 2015 to a 2016, and this is the only change I'm making. Currently a 2015. Procedure completed. Okay, so now it takes a full power down cycle before it'll show up. So I turned it off. I'm gonna unplug it because from what I've seen and my understanding, this thing keeps the power on. And I got my headlights set to turn off upon engine turn off, so power should shut down fairly quick. So okay, lights off on the gauges. And at this point I usually give it a couple minutes or so. Let's see. Hey Google. Okay. It's been a few minutes. Sometimes I've had to wait up to like 20 minutes for some of these features to kick in with the full power down cycle, but we'll give it a go and see what it's done. Off button and put it in reverse, backup camera. The only thing that needed on my 2015 to get that was changing the model year to 2016. Alright guys.